If you are a founder in the United States trying to pick the smartest corporate card for your startup, you have probably heard about Brex and Ramp. Both promise better spend control, automation, and rewards without the hassle of traditional business credit cards. But they take slightly different paths to get there. Let's talk through how they compare and which one might be the better fit for you. Brex was built specifically for startups and fast-growing companies. It offers corporate cards with no personal guarantee and bases limits on your company's financial health instead of your personal credit. That alone makes it appealing for founders who want to keep business and personal finances separate. Brex also bundles in expense management, budgeting tools, and accounting integrations, so it feels more like a complete financial platform than just a card. Ramp, on the other hand, focuses heavily on savings and control. It calls itself a finance automation platform first, with the corporate card acting as one piece of that. Ramp gives a flat cashback rate on all spending and has built-in software that flags duplicate subscriptions, overcharges, and areas where your business could save money. It is designed for companies that want transparency and efficiency over travel perks or complex rewards programs. So which one is better for US founders? It depends on your business stage and priorities. If you are growing fast, raising capital, and expanding globally, Brex is probably the stronger choice. It is built for scale and offers more flexibility for companies managing larger budgets. If you are focused on staying lean, saving money, and running a tight operation, Ramp gives you better visibility and a simpler reward structure. Both are excellent options, far ahead of traditional banks when it comes to technology and founder-friendly design. Brex wins on global reach and rewards, while Ramp leads in automation and savings insights. You really cannot go wrong with either. It just comes down to whether you value growth perks or cost control more.